Hi everyone, it's Freddie-Tech back with another video from CFL-TECH, and to start this video off, we hope that everybody's great out there. Now, what we're doing in this video today is we're taking a look at Roku's new What to Watch section. Now, they're trying to streamline things a bit to make things easier to find for users, and that makes sense with all of the content out there. It can get a little overwhelming at times. There's just so much between all of the apps out there, especially with the free ad-supported apps. So very interesting what they're doing. It's good to see this. Now what they're doing here is they're actually rolling out, they've announced some user-friendly features in a new What to Watch section, including recommendations, which we'll see, and saved lists, and continue watching. So those are three main features of this What to Watch section that will make things a little more convenient for users. Now, they've done a recent survey and they found that many users are spending a lot of time looking for something to watch, and that is not good because at this point, with all of the competition out there, they all want to be the best, of course, and have the easiest way to find stuff. That's really becoming an issue now with a lot of users, so they're giving their feedback, and they want the streaming services to make things a little easier to find stuff. So this is nice to see. Now the continue watching will keep track of where you are in the show or movie. That's even if you started watching something directly in the streaming service rather than via the Roku TV home screen. So that's really nice, so you don't have to worry about where you are in the actual system. So that's good to see. Now they're going to have some limitations to start off with, just certain apps. So in the beginning, Roku has confirmed a lineup of compatible streaming services at launch, which will include Apple TV, Channel 4, Disney, Netflix, Plex, Prime Video, some real popular ones there, the Roku channel, and UK TV. That's going to be in recommendations, so that's really nice. And then they have Discovery Plus and Prime Video, Netflix, a Roku channel, compatible continue watching at launch. That's going to work with that as well. Continue watching. Now the saved shows, is a saved list is going to be easy to do as well. We'll show you that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this What to Watch section here and see what it looks like, and then we can see what's going on with the new features. So when you get in, you have recommended. That's right off the bat. So this is probably from an algorithm. Now you see DirecTV Stream logo there because we have a DirecTV Stream account subscription, and the app is on this Roku. So they're pulling in from DirecTV. So it may vary, of course, for what you have as a subscription service. So that's interesting to see that they bring in DirecTV. That's really nice. And then you have continue watching. Now we were watching just some shows to check this out on the Roku channel earlier, so now it shows you. Now we started watching and then we stopped watching, and now it's showing in the continue watching section. Now the save list, we'll get to that. There's your save list. We'll show you how to do that here in a moment. So if you go down, you have Fawesome favorites, you have included with your DirecTV stream subscription, so there's more. So if you go into first 48, it's going to show you the app down below. You've used this app recently, so basically it's going to launch the DirecTV Stream app. So it's basically like a shortcut. So if you're in here looking for something else, you say, oh, I can't find anything else. Let me go to my DirecTV section here. Let me just go to DirecTV because I pay for this. There should be something to watch, but it's a nice shortcut if you're in here already. You may probably use the DirecTV Stream app directly most of the time if you subscribe to a paid service, but it is what it is. Now, new trailers coming soon. This is pretty cool. So you have the new the Wonka trailers, not Willy Wonka, the Wonka trailer 2 showing here. So you get some sneak peek at some new movies coming out, which is nice. And then you have a genres section here. You have many to choose from. You have action, adventure, anime, comedy, crime, drama, documentary, fantasy, horror, music, news, reality and romance, sci-fi, sitcom, sports, thriller. As you can see, there's many. And then you have the news and sports channels, ESPN, you have MLB, NBA, then you have, let's see, you have some Barstool Sports. Then you have local now, NHL, so very nice. And you have your favorite stars. Now it's showing you that's a Roku channel stuff. So when you go into any one of these, it's going to give you the available free. Now you can watch it on Pluto, The Big Short. So they have the different, below you see the icon there, it was Pluto. So this is your favorite stars. Now they have Pluto on the Roku channel at this moment. There's MGM Plus. So they pull in, they aggregate from whatever app. There's Tubi, as you saw there as well. So very nice. Then you have popular on Peacock TV. And then you have trending now. So this is being pulled in by the trends with the algorithm for all users. Then you have reality TV. Look at all these options here showing up on the Roku channel. So if you don't use the guide, you do see some of these shows showing up here as well. But you got Tubi, Roku channel, you have Vudu, and you have PBS. So very nice. There's Roku Originals, and that's mostly Roku channel stuff. So that's all aggregated in here as well. Very cool. And then you have free on Roku channel, mystery dramas, featured apps. So look at all these apps that you can check out here as well. Now some of these are already on here. It's pulling them in as well. And then you have fantastic movies and TV, police TV shows. Look at all these options here. Roku channel showing up again big. And let's go ahead and let's do this save list here. So let's go ahead and go to Amsterdam Vice. So we're going to take the Roku remote and go with the asterisk, and now it's going to bring up a window here to add to save list. So let's go ahead and do that. Select it, and when you go down or up, it's going to bring you back to the section for that. So let's scroll down. We're going to see now where we have the saved list. Now here's continue watching, and there's saved list. Now what did we just save? It was Amsterdam Vice. So there you have it. So if you don't want to watch something or can't watch something right now, you find a title that you like, you just do that, add to the save list, and you can go back to it any time. So you can scroll through this list up or down. There's no end. It does repeat itself. So if you're down lower in the list from when you first get in, if you continue scrolling down, you'll get to that point again. And it's not extremely long. There you go again. So very nice. So there you have it. The new features to continue watching. You have the saved list. You have better organization. So what are your thoughts on this? Are you currently using this? Do you see it on your Roku? But again, it's rolling out in segments, so you may not see this just yet. You do need to update your Roku system as well. Check the system for updates. So go back home here. So you go into settings, and then you're going to go into system. Wrong way. System, and then you're going to go to software update. And then it's going to check your player, and there you go, check now. And right now there's no update because we just checked, but it's going to go through the motions here. And there you go, we have software version 12.5.0, build 4178. So there you go. So there you have it. So what are your thoughts on this update? Do you think it's going to be handy with these improvements for making things easier to find? Or do you think there's not much of a difference? It's still a lot of content, still a little confusing. Do you think Roku is the best platform out there? It is pretty popular, probably the most popular. So put your comments down below. Hopefully you liked this video. It was helpful. Hopefully you're doing well. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Freddie Tech will be checking out of this one soon to be back with another. Take care.